Hi guys, this is Tina with Everyday Home with Tina, and today I am participating in the Patio Paradise 2020 collab hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. In this collab, I'm going to share with you what makes my patio relaxing. So first, let me get it together. So I'm going to start cleaning it, and then I'm going to share with you why it's relaxing to me. My patio is decorated in colors of turquoise, teals, blues, and hints of red. I'm using the cabana stripe for my cushions, and the back, I believe I purchased those from Amazon. And then the back of the chairs, the cushions, are weatherproof pillows I purchased from Walmart. These are the cushions that I purchased from Walmart. I am using the cabana stripe pillows, toss pillows on the patio set as well. After a long, hard day at work, I enjoy just coming out, sitting on the patio, reading, just thinking, relaxing. It's so serene and calm. Also, I like sitting by the pool, gazing at the lake outside. It's very relaxing. My favorite part is just sitting back and watching both the people and the ducks. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and I want to hear from you. Please take a moment and make a comment below. If you've liked what you've seen, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, you can check out some of my other videos as well. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.